everybody and welcome back. I'm excited to do the winners drawing today for the hashtag Buzz into Spring collaboration that I have done with Natalie from Line.Arrow. Throughout the month of March you had opportunities to take part in different challenges. We had 3 challenges throughout the first 3 weeks, then the final week was just a catch up. You could either use the kits to make your challenges or the freebies that were provided. If you just used the freebies, then your name would have been entered for each post that you made using the freebies. If you used the paid kits, the ones that you have bought from either my shop or Natalie's shop, then your name is entered twice for each post that you make. Now, it didn't necessarily have to be the challenges, it could be anything that you've made using the kits, and then your name is going into the prize draw. Now, I spent a long time on Saturday going through the Facebook group and collecting all of the names. I don't think I've ever had this many names either before, but it was really wonderful scrolling through and seeing all of the different projects that have been made either with the freebies or with the kits. Even though everybody is following the same kind of challenges, the results were always very, very different. So it was really lovely to see everybody's take on their design for each of the challenges. So I'm going to do the drawing on my iPad. Just to say that this is the drawing for the Non-Stop Papercrafts Facebook group. Natalie is doing a drawing for the Line.Arrow Facebook group. But there will also be a drawing if you have posted in Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, Junk Journals, Tutorials and More Facebook group, Haystack Crafty Corners Facebook group, and the Two Sister Jam Facebook group. So each group will be having a winner's drawing. So if you've been posting across all of the Facebook groups, you have a greater chance of winning. So I've only got the names for those that posted within Non-Stop Papercrafts. So I'm just going to get the wheel up for you. Okay, so we do have the wheel up. I've got 216 entries. So as I said, if you have posted using just the freebies for every post that you made in Non-Stop Papercrafts, your name is entered once each post. If you have used the kits as well in your projects, then your name is entered twice for each post that you have made. So I've got 216 entries. As I said, normally I'm just over 100. So the fact that we've got to 216 is absolutely incredible. So thank you so much to everybody that has clearly enjoyed using this kit, jumped on board and been taking part in the challenges. So there are going to be 3 winners. The first winner is the first prize winner, and they can go to my Etsy shop and they can pick 3 kits that they would like for free and just either message me via Facebook or via Etsy or via my email, which I'll have down below. The second prize will have 2 kits from my shop for free, and the third prize is 1 kit from my shop for free. So again, just message me either via Facebook, via Etsy or via the email, which I'll have in the description down below. Right, let's see who our first prize winner is. So we have Candy. So I am going to write your name down, Candy, just so I can remember. Many congratulations. So you are first, which means you get 3 kits. Well done, Candy. We'll actually write your surname down just in case there are more. I'm going to remove all of your names from this list, Candy. And our second prize winner, winning 2 kits, is... Oh, Fabienne, well done. Okay, so Fabienne, you're my second winner, so you can pick 2 kits from my Etsy. Again, I'm going to remove you from the wheel, and let's see who the third and final winner is. This person can choose 1 kit from my Etsy shop. Sal, well done, Sal. Okay, so those are each of my winners. As I said, you can contact me via the 3 ways that I've mentioned: Facebook, Etsy, or the email, which will be linked down below. I do want to say a huge thank you to everybody who has purchased the kit. I know myself and Natalie are extremely grateful for all of the purchases, as you are supporting our small businesses. But even if you didn't purchase any of the kits and you just use the freebies, the fact that you are taking part in the challenges, you are posting in the group, that's inspiring for other group members as well. So thank you so much to everybody that was taking part. I really, really appreciate it. I'm really looking forward now to April. I have my new kit coming out tomorrow and my next challenge for April coming out tomorrow. We're going in a slightly different direction. We're now going grungy. So this is my new kit. 21 pages. It's very grungy. And as I say, excited for the first challenge coming out tomorrow. Don't forget to go and check out the other videos for the other Facebook groups to check if you're in their winners drawing and if you're a winner over there as well. As I said, all of the other Facebook groups will be doing a drawing for each of the groups. So if you've been posting across all of them, you have more chance of winning. Thank you so much, everybody, again, and I'll see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.